In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Lovable project to VS Code. Let's get started by opening Lovable in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, click the project card for the project you want to export. Give it a moment and wait for the project editor to fully load on your screen. Now we'll begin the GitHub connection from inside the Lovable project. Look to the top left corner of the project editor and click the project name or the settings menu shown there. In the menu that opens, click Project Settings. Inside the Settings view, find the sidebar on the left and click Git. After that, click GitHub in the Git Settings area to open the GitHub connection panel. Next, we'll connect your GitHub account to Lovable. Click the Connect GitHub button in the GitHub Settings panel. A GitHub authorization window will pop up. If you're not already logged in, sign in to GitHub now. If GitHub prompts you to confirm a two-factor code or an email verification, go ahead and complete that step. Once you're through, click Authorize on the GitHub authorization screen. Keep in mind, if your account was already authorized previously, GitHub may skip some of these prompts and send you back to Lovable automatically. Now we'll install the Lovable GitHub app. On the GitHub app installation screen, choose either all repositories or only select repositories, depending on how much access you want to give. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Install and Authorize. GitHub will then redirect you back to the Lovable tab. At this point, we need to sync the Lovable project to GitHub. Stay on this page and wait patiently until Lovable shows a message confirming that the project is connected to a GitHub repository. Once it's synced, we'll open the new repository in GitHub. Look inside the Lovable GitHub panel for the connected status indicator. Click the GitHub repository link displayed in the Lovable GitHub settings panel. Next to the URL of the repository, click the copy icon to copy the link. Open a new browser tab and paste the link there, then load the page. Take a quick look and confirm that the repository contains the project files from your Lovable build. After that, return to the Lovable tab. Now we'll open this repository in VS Code for the web. Switch back to the GitHub tab showing the repository and click into the browser address bar at the top. Carefully find the part of the URL that says github.com and replace it with github.dev. Once you've made that change in the address bar, press Enter to load the new URL. If GitHub asks for permission to open the web editor, click Authorize or Allow to grant access. Wait a few seconds for the VS Code web editor to load in your browser. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Finally, let's confirm the Lovable project files are present in VS Code. Look at the left activity bar in the editor and click Explorer if the file list isn't already showing. In the File Explorer, click package.json to open the project's main configuration file. Then, back in the File Explorer, click the src folder to expand it. Inside the src folder, click App.tsx or App.jsx if that's what your project uses. Once it opens, confirm the editor is now showing the Lovable app code in the main editing area. And that's the full result. Your Lovable project is now exported to a GitHub repository and opened inside VS Code for the web. Your screen should display a VS Code style editor, with the project file tree along the left side, and the Lovable project file, such as package.json or src/app.tsx, open in the main editor area. From here, you have full access to the codebase through the web-based editor, the same way you'd browse it in the desktop version of VS Code. Your project is now fully exported, synced to GitHub, and ready to edit directly in VS Code for the web.